today is
Holy Wednesday.
April
Yeah.
1st. Today is
Because-
April 1st.
Because
Ayan,
we're
may
going to
aso.
take crap.
And may aso, natatakot kami. We're on our way to Lola's house. At doon kami yearly nagpupunta for the Holy Week. Doon kami manonood ng procession and all that. So, with me, si Ninay. Say hi, Ninay. Leylay. Say hi, Leylay. Ate Alex.
And Mr. Hamster.
Mr. Hamster. And Ate Dai. Say hi, Ate Dai. Ayun. So, later we'll show you yung mga ano ba? Stations of the Cross ba yun? Hindi ano? Yung procession, yes. We'll show you later. Mga santo and everything. So, this is my hometown. Welcome to OWAS, Albay, Philippines! Wow!
One, tulog na.
We used to connect this
How do
like
you
that.
connect? How do you sip the water?
like this.
Are you okay, ate? Dino thought that is funny.
Yeah.
You all meal
Oh, a person that eats flowers.
Here. And please save us. It's to the rescue. You're about to fall, ate.
Hold tight. Sana.
This is OWAS Church. Hello guys, intro.
Yeah, hi guys. Andito tayo sa very famous diversion road. I'm gonna show you in a bit dito sa may Ginubatan. Ay, hindi, Kamalig pala, Kamalig. Oh, ayun na. That's the reason. Ayun. Do you see it, guys? Yan, that's the reason why famous itong diversion road na to. Kasi ayun. Yan. Ay, Lele, Mami, Oh. Yun lang guys.
Montage lang sila.
Hello.
Ayan, kompleto kami. This is the Japan
The
crew.
Japan.
Ayan!
Yeah.
See you in the next
Yes.
next vlog.
Yes.
Yo, catchers.
But first, sige, go.
Factory reset ng mga kasalanan.
Yeah, reset muna tayo. Oh, samahan nyo kami guys mag ano.
So today is
Good
Today
Friday.
is April 3.
Yes.
Friday, April
Correct.
3.
Yes, it's Pizza Friday.
Oh, pizza Friday. Oh, no.
Friday,
Oh, no.
Friday. Going to teacher Friday.
So, ang dami.
Everybody's looking for a napkin.
Yeah. Oh, daming energy. Oo. Daming energy. Oh. So, yun lang guys. So, samahan nyo kami mag ano. Samahan nyo kami mag procession. Okay?
Yeah.
See you. Bye-bye.
Dalagitan na, Ate Macy. And then this is the Binata Kuya Ma. Oh, thank you, thank you. Yay! Approaching. Say hi to Pale. Pale, hi. Uncle Jeff, Papa, and Tito Jocos. Woo! Tareka.
Yuman, bantay.
Yugun mo yan. Doon na palang kanakis mo. Sundan po yung pila. Single line lang po. Hindi mo mayak. Ingat lang po.